Try that again. Hey guys, it's Emily. It's Monday again. I'm really sorry that my voice probably sounds like someone's stepping on a cat with like something. I don't know, what do you step on a cat with? It's not cool. Let's not step on cats. It's not. Anyway, I've kind of been at home with a sore throat for almost a week. And it kind of sucks a lot, but I've been just like pounding back the Advil. Yeah, it's like my candy. I'm like addicted now. No, I'm kidding. I'm not. That's not cool. That's not to joke about. Anyway, this week on the Breakfast Collab, it is questions about collabs. Questions about collab members week. Yeah, that's pretty intense title, right? Basically, we have a set of 5 questions that we're going to answer in our videos. So, let's get started. If I had to be reborn as someone else in the collab, I would probably want to be reborn as Andres because he's Mexican. I've kind of wanted to be from somewhere else because I'm from Canada. A lot of people are from Canada. I think it'd be cool to be from somewhere more foreign, even though I wouldn't think it was foreign because I'd be from there. But he's also so like bubbly and he's not shy at all. And I am kind of shy. I try not to be, especially on here. But I am kind of. But he's not at all. So I think that'd be another reason why I'd want to be him. So yeah. Who would I most want to date from the collab? I think I would like to date everyone. Let's just be one big polygamous family. No, probably not. That's illegal. Awkward. Let's get married. Let's get married. That was crazy. If Amelia was a Disney character, she would be Tinkerbell, who's this little pixie thing, because they're both really tiny. Sorry. And they're both seems like they're always like up to something. Like Tinkerbell in the movies, she's always like trying to mess up with Peter Pan, Wendy, and all those things. But Amelia's more of like, she's up to no good, as in she's gonna post pictures of herself eating breakfast every day, kind of thing. My favorite thing about Abby is that she's always willing to help out with anything, with whatever whatever we need. Basically, we can always ask her. We can always count on her. That's like awesome that we have her. We're so lucky to have her. We love you. If Andres was a fruit, he would be a banana. He'd be a banana because it's basically the funniest fruit. Like you can't even like, if you're like me, you can't think of bananas without. Yeah. But yeah, it just brings like. Anyone can smile when someone says banana. Like, you just have to. And that's Andres. You smile when you even hear about him because he's hilarious. So those are my 5 answers to the questions. I really hope I'll have my voice better by next week because I don't want to put you guys through that again. I'll make it go away. I just will. So that's it. I hope you guys have an awesome week, an awesome Monday, if you can. Good luck. Enjoy your time at school. But yeah, I'll see you guys next Monday. This is Emily signing off. Bye guys.